So hello once again, this is your Highland Travelers. So this is a Baguio City traffic guide to those tourists new or first time here in the area. Okay, in our city we have the number coding ordinance and other related traffic ordinances that you must learn when you try to drive here in our place. Okay, you know, Baguio City is known as the summer capital of the Philippines. With that, it attracts significant numbers of tourists and even residents. Okay, but as an effect, it leads to the traffic congestion during peak hours and peak season. That's why, to manage the traffic flow and ensure the safety of road users, our city has implemented a number of traffic ordinances, including number one is the number coding scheme. Okay, this provides information on the number coding scheme, its implementation, exception, and other related traffic ordinance within our city. Especially, we have the motorcycle ban on a specific road, the Session Road. But let us first talk about the numbers coding scheme in Baguio City. Number coding scheme, also known as the Unified Vehicular Volume Reduction Program, is a traffic management strategy that restricts certain vehicles from using the major roads, especially within our area, the Central Business District, that is based on the last digit of the number or the license plate. Okay, both motorcycle and motor vehicle. So on the implementation days and prohibited numbers, the number coding scheme is implemented only on weekdays. So on weekends, it's dance for all. Okay, so wala po tayong coding on weekends, only on weekdays, Monday to Friday. The following schedules applies. Monday, vehicles and motorcycles ending from 1 and 2 are prohibited. Tuesday, 3 and 4, Wednesday, 5 and 6, Thursday, 7 and 8, and Friday, 9 and 0. If a vehicle hasn't received its license plate yet, the last digit of the conduction sticker or the MB file will be the basis for the number coding purposes. Right now, let us talk about the coverage of the number coding. The area of the coding zone, the perimeter line, and outside the perimeter line. The number coding scheme is implemented only on roads within the coding zone or the Central Business District. The following roads considered outside the number coding zone, or this is the perimeter line. Gillian Road from the junction of Bocaucan Road to the junction of Abanao Street, or the City Hall Loop. Okay, together with Yantok Street going down to Ligarda Road until you reach the junction of Marcos Highway and Ligarda intersection, going down to our BGH Rotonda. Then you make right going down to Cannon Road. Then from the intersection of Cannon Road and Military Cutoff, you can make left turn until you reach the South Drive, passing through the Nevada Circle. Then from South Drive to Teachers Camp Bridge. Okay, we have the Teachers Camp Bridge. That is from the Teachers Camp. If you make left going to Leonard, you will be apprehended. That's why go directly to the underbridge of Teachers Camp to M. Rojas, then going down to Trancoville until you reach the La Trinidad Magsaysay intersection. Okay, part of the Magsaysay, lower Magsaysay, is coding zone. If you reach the flyover, go straight to Bocaucan, then you will not be apprehended for number coding. So So I do hope that is clear for everybody. Okay, the suspension of number coding is, the suspension of number coding can be suspended under certain circumstances. Number one is calamity or emergency. The number coding scheme may be suspended to facilitate the movement of emergency vehicle and aid in restoration effort. Then the number two is city-sponsored event. The number coding scheme may be suspended to provide convenience for attendees of major events like conference or sporting tournaments.